cut yourself and not even feel it. Oh, that's nice. If you look at the blog we just came through on, they'll send me the forwards of. Here's the. Oh, he wrote that. They're talking to it's the Leslieville Yahoo group, and they're all talking to each other on it. And they're all talking about me. So nice, isn't that?
Yeah.
Read those. It's so nice.
You realize that's going to be on the video that I upload to YouTube, Lawrence? On the soundtrack of these dogs.
Soundtrack of Donna?
Huh? Of you saying, they're all talking about me. I don't think there's any way you can edit out the soundtrack. Now I'll be talking about it.
Oh yeah, because I have that one of you. And I put it on YouTube.
That's right, the one with me saying, shut up.
No,
or
you
whatever.
You said, hey!
I said, what?
You said, hey!
Oh, yeah, trying to make them be quiet.
Well, they were knocking stuff over.
How far is Mark's place?
River and,
Dundas.
Dundas.